Na-enjoy ko siya kasi yun nga, may mga nakita ako mga opportunities dito na pwede pong may business din in the future at the same time. Number one, siguro maganda ma-introduce sa kanila, makavisit sila kasi ang laking factor na marinig and ma-experience nila kung ano yung ibinibenta natin dito is produktong atin. Sa mga booth, sa mga napuntahan ko, may interested ako since mahilig ako sa coffee. Meron doon Amadeo liqueur siya. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi nag-coffee ka na meron pang kasamang liqueur. Yan.
Actually, I'm looking for some other new inventions, some other develop and innovation of product.
First reason kasi nasabihan ako ng supervisor ko na mag-visit para may makuha kaming idea from the event. And yun nga, at the same time, makakuha ng possible customers din, potential customers.
Sa part ng event of this Tatak Pinoy, yung opening ceremony and some other exhibitor. So they have some freebies and other, when you buy, they give some other items.
Actually, sir, ina-expect namin nandito si Unilever at the same time si Nestle kasi yung mga big company na inaayon namin na mapap.
Actually, I think this is the first time. So that's why I'm looking and that's why I'm attending. So I just want to know what is the latest product and the latest technology that they have. By next year, we're going to be here again, and I'm expecting more innovation, more technology.
Thank you DTI sa pag-conduct po ng event na ito, especially sa Tatak Pinoy. More events to come and tangkilikin natin yung sariling atin, Tatak Pinoy.